My name is Erica McKenzie. My husband and I own Reimagined Build Solutions, and I graduated from the TGB program last May, and this is our first build. We just hit the market 2 weeks ago and are projected to make 5 figures on our first build here in Godley. Before I became a builder, I was actually already in real estate as a realtor here in Dallas, Fort Worth, and the Houston metropolitan areas. I did not have any build experience prior to joining TGB. Now that I'm an official builder, my day-to-day life has changed tremendously. I'm up at 6 o'clock because that's when my trades are up. I'm checking in, making sure that we're all on the same page for the day and that the work will go forth as it should. Whenever I pull up on my job sites, the first thing I'm looking for are the trades vehicles, making sure that everyone who is supposed to be there is actually there, and also making sure that all materials are accounted for. Building this house from dirt to done was great here in Godley. Everything was super simple. There's like one person in the city office that does nearly everything, so it was a pleasure to work with them. They knew me by name by the time we finished, and I knew them as well. The biggest challenge we faced building here on our first build was picking a bad trade as it related to painting. He did not do his job well, which required me to have to hire somebody else to come in and redo his job, which cost us time and money. So I would say that was, a pitfall of our first build, but such is life. We learned. Honestly, I would say the thing I enjoyed the most about building this house was just seeing it come to fruition. Being able to have our kiddos come by and see what we were doing here and actually see what it looks like to build a legacy with something totally new was the best part of this particular build for us. Being in the TGB program was great. I learned and met so many awesome people, some of which didn't have any experience like I did before coming to TGB, but others who did have industry experience and were able to help us along the way. I've been able to partner with different distributors who have been able to give me family and friend pricing, which has been awesome. Royce and Anthony were absolutely amazing, and they've always been listening ears to make sure that if I did have a problem or something did arise with a trade, or I just needed help with anything, they've always been very helpful. I feel like after completing the program, I could absolutely go out and build a house, and that's exactly what Jason and I did here at Highview. If you're watching this video and you're on the fence about joining TGB, do it. Figure out how to get the money together to join the program. It's an absolutely amazing program. Everything that we put into TGB, we're gonna get back on this build here in Highview. So it's just a return relationship. We put in something, we're gonna definitely get a return on our investment, which was my time, energy, and effort with going through TGB. One thing that I feel sets us apart from big box builders is our attention to detail. We want to make sure that we insert the wow factor in all of our communities at every price point and in every community. It doesn't matter if the customer is spending $500,000 or $250,000. We should be able to put in a little bit of a wow factor in each build we do. As a Christian, we are always going to be doing things with the kingdom mindset and with a spirit of excellence. So no matter if a trade says that this is how we can do it, I'm always going to be like, let's not cut any corners. Let's do it with the spirit of excellence and the best way possible so that our future homeowner will be able to enjoy this property for many, many years to come. If you're an investor or someone looking to build your custom dream home, you should build with Reimagined Build Solutions because we are numbers people. We are going to make sure that we stay on budget and on time. Additionally, as a builder, you have Realtor Erica as well. I study the market, I study the trends in all the neighborhoods around DFW and the Houston metropolitan area. So when we build your custom built home or your investor special, we will make sure that we're building to suit for the neighborhood as well as for your desired taste. With that being said, your access to me will afford you the ability to reach out to me via text or email pretty much all the time to make sure that we're all on the same page.